The iron pan at home is rusty. Don't just throw it away or sold as scrap metal. They don't sell for pennies, and it's super laborious. You see it as rubbish. I treat it like a treasure. Then if you don't know yet how to deal with the used iron pot, I suggest you post this video today. Read it patiently. Hello, everybody. I am Longer. Today, I'm here to share with you that the pot is rusty. How to make it as clean as new. No rust stains. Tips that get better the more you use them. No more nonsense. Come and take a look with me. Everyone is familiar with the rusty iron pan. The iron pan at home is rusty, which is very troublesome. The rusted iron pan is very troublesome to deal with. If it is not handled cleanly, cook with this rusty iron pan or make other delicacies. Not only is it unhygienic, it can also cause harm to the body, and it tastes really bad. Super affects the taste. Then the rust in the iron pot. How to clean it thoroughly. I'd like to share one with you today. Tips for removing rust. After learning this little trick, make sure your iron pan is clean. And this little trick is super easy. So let's take a look. First, we prepare a pack of food baking soda. Edible baking soda for housewives who cook regularly. Super familiar, basically for friends in the north. It's used every day. Make some snacks. A little will be added to steamed buns, etc. Let's pour a little more baking soda. The area of the sleeves in the pot is relatively large. The more baking soda you need. If the quantity is small, it will not achieve too much effect. So don't be stingy with the amount of baking soda. Such a small bag in the supermarket is only $1 or $2. Then take out the paper at home. Cover the baking soda with paper. Cover it without leaving any gaps. Many people usually know baking soda has a good cleaning effect. But I always feel that the baking soda I use in my house, this method to clean household appliances or kitchen utensils, it doesn't have the effect we want. This is because of the use of baking soda. It was underutilized. Therefore, the baking soda must be covered with paper towels. Then prepare this white vinegar. And the more acidic the white vinegar, the better. Try not to go lower than 3.5. Then put the white vinegar along the edge of the pot on the paper towel. Gently pour in. Soak the whole tissue completely. Let the white vinegar and baking soda fully react. Look at this time. The rust under the pot seems to have been dissolving. Its traces slowly emerged on the tissue. It looks very real. After the white vinegar is completely poured in, let it stay like this for 10 minutes. Let the rest use baking soda. And white vinegar fully reacts. In order for everyone to see more clearly. And then I tore the tissue off a little bit in the middle. You can see underneath our tissue cover. Edible baking soda, white vinegar, and the sleeves inside the pot. It's reacting violently. Many people usually feel that baking soda doesn't have much cleaning effect just because there is no complete reaction. Therefore, be sure to give the baking soda and white vinegar time to fully react. So that's it. This time is at least 10 minutes away. At this point, we lift the pot for it. Shake it lightly twice. Let the white vinegar be full and the sleeves inside. Adequate response. A while. Put some places with higher sleeves just now. Not completely wet. Let it clear again. After 2 minutes, now you can uncover the tissue. When you uncover it, you can magically find there are many sleeves that have been pasted on the tissue. It got stuck on the tissue. And these sleeves, it is a shallow floating sleeve in the pot. Some deeper sleeves. We need to clean it further. The white vinegar just now, it has turned into this light yellow. Then find the steel wire ball in the house. Gently scrub along the inside of the pot twice. You have to brush it thoroughly everywhere. It's very easy to brush at this time. you can see that the sleeve has been fully dissolved. With a little brush, it's completely down, effortlessly. Then pour an appropriate amount of water into the pot. Put the sleeves inside. White vinegar and wet salt are fully cleaned. Dump the dirty water from the pot completely. Then wash it twice more with running water. Most people encounter rust in the iron pan at home. They will choose to scrub with detergent. And detergent actually only has a cleaning effect. One use for not removing rust stains. So that's it. If we use detergent to clean rust stains, doesn't do any good. After fully brushing, at this point we can see the bottom of the pot is already very shiny. It is very smooth to touch with your hands. It doesn't have any rusty feel. The fingers are also clean. The whole pot body is shiny. Of course, this is just the first step. The second step is to turn on the gas stove. After firing, put the pot on the fire and bake for a while. Fully dry the water in the pot. Bake the entire bottom of the pan. Smoke occurs. It's fine now. Then take a little lard. There is no lard at home. Use food oil or cut a thick piece of fat. Can also achieve the same effect. Let the lard dissolve completely. Gently shake the pot body. Let the lard completely wet the inside of the pan. Then throw the tissue in. If there are towels, use towels. If there is no towel, paper towels can also be used instead. Then use a spoon to gently spread it evenly. Let the whole bottom of the pot be moistened with lard. After all cleansing, take the tissue out. Don't continue to burn. If you burn it again, it will catch fire. Then find another tissue. Wipe the excess oil stains in the pot for it a little bit. Look at the dirty and rusty pan just now. Compare whether the current pot is bright. Not a little rust stain. So it's pretty cool. How about today? I mainly share with you that the pot at home is rusty. A little way to remove rust stains inside. A little trick that can be used by every household. So that's it. If it is a non-stick pan in your house in the future, or an iron pan, don't throw it away in a hurry after it rusts. Give it a try. Today, the live streaming host will share this method with you. Guarantee the rusty pot in your house instantly becomes as good as new, and it is more durable than the new pot you bought. So there's one more thing you need to pay attention to. This is why our pot is easy to rust. This is because when we don't usually use it, caused by improper storage. Then if the pot is not in use, be sure to use the method I just taught you. Use lard or vegetable oil at home. In the pot, the whole picture. This will prevent moisture in the air. And the moisture in the air reacts with our pot, the condition that causes rust. So if you think today's video, if it helps you, remember to forward and share it. Can help more friends and family or ideas. You can also share it in the comment area. Let more friends know. Let more people benefit. I am longer. Click on my avatar. You can watch more exciting videos. This is the end of our video sharing for this issue. Bye-bye in the next video.